Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to move on to question 1b. Mr. Lim walked from the library to the post office. How much further did Mr. Lim walk than Mrs. Jones? So let's highlight the words that we need to understand, okay, the question. So we know that Mr. Lim walked from the library to the post office, and the distance showed here, okay, is 1,290 meters. So what do we need to find out? We need to find out how much further did Mr. Lim walk than Mrs. Jones. So we have, okay, this word further than. How much? That means Mr. Lim walked more, right? So how much more than Mrs. Jones? So what are we doing over here? It is actually a comparison question. Now I believe that you have tried the previous question and attempted before watching this question B. So the answer for A, you actually should get 1,196 meters. Right? Okay. So from question A, we know that Mrs. Jones walked this amount, right? So like I say, question B is comparison. So let's write Mr. Lim. Let's use models to help us, okay? So question B, Mr. Lim, we are comparing Mr. Lim with Mrs. Jones. So I'm going to use J as an indication. Now, who walked further? If we look at these two numbers, we know that Mr. Lim walked further. Therefore, he has a longer bar. Whereas Mrs. Jones walked shorter distance, so Mrs. Jones has a shorter bar. So now we are going to fill in what we know. Okay, so we know that Mr. Lim walked 1,290 meters and Mrs. Jones walked 1,196 meters. So children, can you tell me where should we put the question mark? How much further? We are actually finding the difference, right? How much more? So it is here. Do you remember we learned about the difference? So this is the part that we need to find. So if we know that this part is 1,196, how do we find this part? So you can see, right? We are actually subtracting. Okay, we need to minus off this part to find the difference, the extra. So let's write our workings here. 1,290 minus 1,196. So same thing, I'm not going to review the answer here. You're going to do your workings on the right hand side neatly and then key your answer in the blank below. Alright?